that the downfall of Gujarat city in British rule was a greater loss. The district of Gujrat has much significance in history, but it lost its worth in British time period due to less strategic position. The district of Gujrat, its political and geopolitical importance can be seen by the attention paid to the district by Mughals and prior rulers. But with the passage of time, specifically in the rule of British, it lost its worth because of less interest of masters. For analysis of its rise and fall throughout the history, its geopolitical designation is clearly addressed in the thesis. Moreover, the reasons for the downfall of its glory in British Empire is evidently described. The city of Gujrat was an annexed powerful center of Punjab. The effort to decentralize the Greater Punjab damaged the importance of Gujrat. Its cultural position was decomposed, and history proves the fact that the sole responsible for such an unbearable disaster were Britain. And the inquiry attempts to compel the reader for revealing the past and improving the present of the city by restoring its genuineness. The aim of this thesis is to acknowledge the locals of Gujarat, its worth and rich history of Gujarat.